Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's video will be my fall 2020 decorate with me, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So I'm starting on my front porch, and you'll notice as the video progresses that this is the only area of my home where the fall decor color scheme is a bit more traditional. I picked up the door wreath at Ross, and the wood harvest sign is from Hobby Lobby. It's actually two-sided. The other side says welcome, and the bales of hay and pumpkins you'll see a little bit later are also from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm moving into the entryway. I actually didn't add any fall decor here, but still wanted to share it anyway since the warm and neutral tones still give off that fall vibe. Now on to the living room. This throw pillow is from Hobby Lobby. And these are all of the decor items that I will be using to decorate the credenza. The faux flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and the pumpkins I'll be using are from Home Goods, At Home, Hobby Lobby, and Target. I didn't do much to the fireplace. All I did was add this charcoal gray owl to the mantle that I purchased from Ross years ago. And in the dining room, I'm adding these pumpkin picks that I purchased from Hobby Lobby to the dining room centerpiece. I kept the decor simple in the kitchen as well. The dried cotton floral arrangement, tiered shelf, thankful sign, and pumpkins are all from Hobby Lobby. So that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this fall 2020 decorate with me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.